Hello, flower enthusiasts. Do you dream of having a lovely flower heaven at home without overspending? Today, I have innovative flower gardening ideas for home that will revolutionize the way you do home gardening completely. But first, imagine this. You head out in the morning, coffee cup held high, and your front porch is draped with stunning container flower arrangements, colorful hanging baskets, and fragrant herb flowers that have your neighbors in awe. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's do it together. Before we get started, let me ask you all in comments, what is your go-to flower to plant inside your home? I would love to hear. Tip number 1, grow a container flower garden anywhere. One of the easiest ways of flowers gardening for beginners is container gardening. You don't have to have a huge backyard, just pots, good garden soil, and your desired flower seeds for home garden. Place containers in clusters for a rich, tiered look. Colorful plants like geraniums, marigolds, and petunias can be utilized for creating a lively spectacle. Pots also provide an opportunity to relax and get artistic with vertical flower gardening, perfect for patios or balconies. Try stacked tiered planters up or hanging wall planters to maximize your space. Tip number 2, grow fragrant flowers for relaxation. Nothing can be compared to walking into the aroma of lavender flowers, jasmine, and rose once you get home. These flower scents in the garden are not only beautiful to behold, but they also calm your nerves after spending the day dealing with trauma. Plant them near the windows or entrance so you can get a whiff of them as you walk by. Tip: create pollinator flowers, such as zinnias and sunflowers, to attract bees and butterflies for a lively live garden. Tip number 3. Plan a color-themed flower garden. Need a cohesive look? Select a color scheme and stay within it. For relaxation, blend blue flowers, white hydrangeas, and lavender. For drama, blend red tulips, orange lilies, and yellow daisies. Color-themed beds are one of the hottest trending garden design trends, and they also make wonderful Instagram pictures. Quick question, drop a comment below and let me know which colors you'd love to see in your garden. Tip chapter 4, easy flower gardening with low maintenance plants. If you're busy or new to gardening, pick easy flowers to grow. Impatiens, begonias, and cosmos flowers thrive with minimal care and bloom for months. This is the secret to having a vibrant home flower garden that doesn't need daily maintenance. Tip number 5, plant edible flowers. Why not grow edible flowers that are colorful and delicious too? Nasturtiums, calendula, and violets can be used to garnish your salads and desserts. It's one of the most creative gardening hacks to wow your guests. Tip number 6, planting as per the seasons. Plan your flower bed for the year so something is always in bloom. Start off the year with spring flowering bulbs like daffodils and crocuses. Summer bloomers like daylilies and echinacea keep it going. Chrysanthemums and asters keep it going later in the year. This method never makes your garden appear empty. Tip number 7, maximize your vertical space. No space? No problem. Flower garden vertically with suspending baskets, trellises, or pallet planters off fences and walls. Morning glories and clematis flowers are vines that provide a full backdrop in any small space, the ambiance of an intimate garden. Tip number 8, DIY flower borders. Border your flower beds with a stunning flower border. Divide your space with ornamental grass, alyssum, or little roses. A flower border adds elegance and warmth to any backyard garden. Before you go, don't forget to tell me in the comments, what one of these flower gardening ideas are you going to try first? If you enjoyed these tips, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more trending gardening tips. We have plenty of tricks up our sleeve, such as organic flower garden guides, indoor flower arrangements, and balcony flower gardens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and remember, every garden starts with one seed and a little bit of inspiration. Happy planting!